Hi guys, this is Harsh and you're watching Partner GNX. So today we are going to discuss some keyboard tricks. So let's get started. The first trick is that when I write 112, this will automatically convert to the chosen word. So let's see how it's done. So first we need to go to its Google Gboard setting. Then we have to go to dictionary. Then we have to set up a personal dictionary with this, and then we will click plus, and what word we want. Like I want Arsh, and we have to give it a shortcut. So to give it a shortcut, we will write 111 this time. So we can go back, and when we go here and we type 11, it will automatically show that you want to write Arsh, and you can directly tap there and do it. Let's say we have written something wrong. We can directly from the back button, like we do like this. Instead we can select slide over the back button, and this will delete the selected words. So when you want a symbol, so you can directly like write from here. So when you will ever click on this, like this, and we can like slide this. So when we are writing in landscape mode, then it becomes difficult to type. So what we can do, that we can pop out this Go Gboard and type easily with one finger. Or if you want to change the size, you can also change the size, and it won't cover the whole screen like it used to do in landscape mode. So whenever we are typing something, so we need some words to be capital. So like we are typing and we want the next word I to be capital, so we can directly slide from the symbol of the capital and directly slide to the word like this, and this would make your typing even faster. So in Gboard we can also make our customized Bitmoji. We just only need to click on this sticker button, and we can click on this plus button, and we can make our own emojis. Like I have made a few, as you can see. These are minis, and these are really cool looking, and you should try them too. Also make personalized themes for a Gboard. We just need to go to the themes button, and we can see that there are many available themes, but we can also make a theme using our own photo. Like I have taken this photo, and we can also select which part do we want. Like I have selected this, and we can adjust the brightness and click done. So we can apply this, and as you can see, this looks quite good, and we can change it also using the themes. Like I got this. We can also have many more.